to another video of Lego, and it is a Lego puzzle box, and I've called it Sheldon, and Sheldon has a key. Sheldon's key is right there. Now, it looks small there, it looks like a 2x6. But actually, you slide it out, and that is the key. You couldn't really see anything from that angle, could you? Could you? And put the key back in, but it doesn't go in where you just got it from. You put it here, and you give it a little push, and that would open this, the compartment. And when you push the key, it will open the compartment, and you could hide some little Tic Tacs. And when I was building this yesterday, I done it in sections. First, I built the base of this. Then I built the key. Then I built the whole entire frame that sits on it or goes around it. And then I built this. But the Technic pins, you need them there. And there's little holes in there, 2 holes. And that, you use them because you click them together, and then you'd have the key. But I forgot to show you. When the key is in here, it's like that on these parts here, like that. And when you pull the key out, you pull it back in, but it doesn't go like that. It goes like this, and you would put it onto this grey one there and slide it, and that's what will push the box out. And putting the box back on, that's why I showed you, you need the pins to keep it safe. And guys, I have been very, very, very glad to do this video for you and other people across the internet. I'd like to make another one, but bigger, better, and I'd like to call it Puzzlebox 2.0. Sorry about that, what I just did. And I would like to show you, and I will see you guys next time. Bye for now.